Hello, it's Matt Simmons with Curbside. Today is moving day, so we are moving from our office. This is actually our fourth move in 7 years, and our goal is to make the best wash and fold and pick up and delivery software out there. And just want to thank everybody for helping us build the software of our dreams. So it's an exciting day for us. This is our old office right over here. You can kind of see in the background. We'll do a little tour in a second, but just want to thank everybody for your support. By moving to another office, we moved from 1,000 square foot to 2,500 square feet just a couple years ago. And now we're moving to a 5,000 square foot office. And the reason for this is so we could hire more developers in-house, more support staff, and be able to better support and provide excellent service to our clients. So we're excited about the move and having the additional space. We have a beautiful office over here, and I'll go ahead and show you a tour. Yeah, so right over here, this is our office, Curbside Laundries, and this is our old office that we're moving out from. So we're in the process of moving everything. So we've got all the glass walls going to each different office. So we've got, this was my office right over here. We've got some cubicles over here, and here's Holly's office. And yeah, so this is got another office. This is where Barbara helps people out from. In our conference room. And we had a couple cubicles over here as well for tech support. And we've got a garage, which especially during COVID time, we stocked up on inventory because if we didn't have hardware to sell, then we couldn't sell our software. So we were able to stock up and store, tons of point of sale units. And here's office for a couple of our developers right over here. We got the kitchen, and there you go. So that's our place where we spent quite some time. And I'm going to go ahead and take you to the new office. It's actually walking distance, same building. And it's the 2 units at the end. So we're in Los Alamitos, yeah, great neighborhood. And we actually serve Los Alamitos from our laundromat Super Suds, serves Los Alamitos too. So here we go. And the office is big. This tour may take a little while. So this is gonna be my office. I've got a few things to set up. And it'll probably be more interesting once there's stuff in the office and everything is set up. So I think we'll probably wait to do the tour once we have everything set up. So we've got just huge space. Got some storage, setting up cubicles over here. Got the conference room table. This conference room table used to just be giant and fill up the old room, and now it's a little bit, we might need some more furniture. All right, so we've got a couple offices right over here, the kitchen, and there's actually another office right over there as well. So we're already stocked. We made sure to get the food here first. And this will be Aaron's office. So he's one of the co-founders of Curbside Laundries. And of course, you need the tech utility closet where we put all the wires and servers and things. All right. So this is Holly's office right over here, and another one. So we're excited to get to work and continue making the software of our dreams. So thank you again for your support. We keep reinvesting in Curbside and making the software better and better, and this gives us space to accomplish our mission.